using the F1, the air purifier, and my laptop as we design a really simple and cute Mother's Day coaster. If you are new to the F1, I do have an unboxing and setup video, and I'll link it for you to see, but let's get into how we got started with that. Okay, so I found this Happy Mother's Day file on Creative Fabrica. I will link it in the description as well. If you're not familiar with Creative Fabrica, they're a subscription-based website, $3.99 a month, and you have access to tons of fonts, files, images. You can go through their website and see, and it's definitely worth the $3.99 a month. So we're going to download that right here. So we're in xTool's Creative Space. I found the SVG that I want to use. I'm just going to grab it from my downloads right here and drag and drop it. And that's huge. We're going to minimize the screen. Just zoom out. Let's move this information out of our way. And then I'm just going to grab the end here and bring this in nice and small where it's in the center here, right? So the first thing we're going to do, just to make sure it's the right size, we're going to grab our material, our slate coaster, lay it, we don't need that. We're just going to lay it flat. Those two little dots, there's the handle on the side. We're just going to bring them where they meet each other. There we go. Bring the top down. And then we're going to hit framing right here. And it's going to frame where our design would basically engrave on that slate, right? And if it's wider than our material, we know that we have to move it around or size it. Look at that. You can see the blue. We're going to bring it and center it right there. While it is on, I'm going to come in. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. Center it a little more. There we go. So as you move it on here, it's moving on that slate piece. And that's perfect. We're going to bring that down. We have it on Engrave at the top right. First, let's stop that framing. At the top right, it says unknown material. We're going to change that material to the black slate coaster. Oh, here we go. It's actually not slate. It is rock, 5mm rock coaster. What was I saying? Let's confirm. And then we're going to hit process. It says modify perimeters. Let's go to adjust. Why is it on 1%? Child, let's bring it to 100% power. Right? And hit process. 3 minutes. We're going to hit start. Hit the button on the side. And that's it. Also, I'm not saying that this is a Mother's Day gift because I would add this to other things maybe in a gift basket, you know? And all materials are from the xTool website. I have everything linked, and don't forget to subscribe so I can show you some more xTool and other crafting videos.